Hey, it's Alvis down here at 1142 Allo Drive. Man, I am so excited to show you the new 2024 Santa Fe. Check out these three models. I just came in off the truck this morning. We've got the XRT, which is the middle one, which is more of an urban model, and then two luxuries at this point in time. It does come in two other flavors too, actually three other flavors. You got the preferred, you've got the preferred with trim, and you do have the ultimate calligraphy, which is due to arrive shortly. But let's check a few things out about this vehicle and check out the new design. Listen, a couple of things with these things. First of all, 6- and 7-seater configurations. Wonderful. If you don't want to go for a full size and you're finding the current vehicle that you have is not too big, this is a perfect in-between. Hey, this is the luxury model right here. It's got two sunroofs. It does have some really nice features. It comes in two-tone interior, or you can go with the simple black interior, but check it out. Fly on in. So if you want a little bit more information on the vehicles or come on in for a test drive, please come see me, Alvis, at 1142 Alloy Drive, or give me a call beforehand, 346-5809, extension 438.